So I got a couple of new 78s. And when I say new, I mean new condition, not just new to me. They have probably been sitting in the dealer's paper bag for 80 plus years and could be as old as 1926. The colour labels, I understand, make them pre-World War II. So how new are they? Well, to be fair, there are some slight spindle marks on the labels, so they were presumably tested in the shop or played at home. However, the bag, the sleeves and the overall condition suggests they have been barely used. I'm going to play a short segment on this BSR deck. Let me know what you think. Thanks to David K for suggesting I check the labels for spindle marks, as this really is the only sign they've been played at all.
So I went to the stall where they sell fine saucepans. Walk up, sixpence for a saucepan. Could I have a rabbit, 'cause we've got 2 saucepans, but they hadn't got a rabbit, not anywhere there. I had nothing, no, I hadn't got nothing, so I didn't go down to the market square, but I walked on the common, the old gold common, and I saw little rabbit most everywhere. So I'm sorry for the people who sell fine saucepans, I'm sorry for the people who sell fresh mackerel, I'm sorry for the people who sell sweet lavender, 'cause they haven't got a rabbit, not anywhere there.